To begin, lie on the floor on your back. Keep your arms by your sides with your palms down and your feet together. Take deep breaths to relax. Once you are relaxed, contract your abdominal muscles and inhale. Keeping your legs straight, raise them very slowly until perpendicular to the floor. Now place your hands on your lower back. Exhale and raise yourself by pushing your legs towards the ceiling. Slowly straighten your legs and back by moving your hands up your back. Press your chest firmly against your chin. Relax your body in this position for as long as you can. To return to the starting position, exhale and slowly lower your back and then your legs to rest on the floor. Relax in the corpse posture till your breathing returns to its normal rhythm.